Alright, here we go. A hot rod finally, after a bunch of regular cars. A friend of mine, Dave, let me use his shop a while back. I told him I'd clean his car up for him for letting me use his shop. Put ceramic on it a year ago or 2 years ago or so. Still holding up pretty good. Just been in storage all winter. Get her out, get her cleaned up, and get ready for some car shows. Got one big one coming up here in 2 or 3 weeks, I think. Street Machine Nationals, DuQuoin, Illinois. First weekend in May. A bunch of us go over and spend the weekend over there, hanging out, tell stories, and talk about all kinds of things. Have a pretty good time. Just clean her up a little bit and clean the inside up, just dust it off, get it cleaned up. That's all we're doing. Better do it before video, just like always. Alright, show you when I'm all done, show you what it looks like. Get it all bright again, shiny. Alright, catch you guys later.